There is a quiet frustration shared by millions of people today. They work consistently, they try to be responsible, they avoid reckless decisions. Yet money always feels tight. Bills arrive faster than savings grow. Progress feels slow even when effort is high. And the future feels uncertain in a way that is hard to put into words. This struggle is not limited to one country or one income group. It affects students, professionals, families, and even people with decent salaries. According to Elon Musk, this is not just a personal failure. It is a mismatch between how the system works now and how most people are taught to survive within it. His advice is not comforting, but it is direct. And that honesty is exactly why it matters. Musk's first reality check: effort alone is no longer enough. Elon Musk does not dismiss hard work. He respects it deeply, but he is very clear about one thing. Hard work alone is no longer a reliable path to financial stability. For decades, effort and income were closely connected. If you worked harder, you earned more. If you stayed loyal and gained experience, your value increased. That relationship has weakened. Technology allows productivity to grow without adding more human effort. Software, automation, and AI enable a small number of people to produce massive output. This means many people can work long hours and still struggle financially. Musk's honesty here is uncomfortable. He believes people are not failing because they lack discipline, but because they are applying effort inside systems that no longer reward it proportionally. Why most people are solving the wrong problems. When money feels tight, people usually focus on surface issues. They try to cut expenses, they chase higher salaries, they take on more work. Musk believes these responses treat symptoms, not causes. The deeper problem is leverage. Leverage means your actions continue to create value even when you are not actively working. Technology, ownership, and scalable systems provide leverage. Poor labor does not. Most people depend entirely on linear income. They trade hours for money. When hours are limited, income hits a ceiling. This is why financial stress persists even for responsible, hardworking people. They are playing a linear game in an exponential world. Why stability can quietly increase financial risk. People are taught to seek stability because it feels safe. A steady job, predictable income, and routine reduce anxiety. They provide structure and control. Musk challenges this assumption. He believes stability can be fragile if it exists inside a system that is changing rapidly. A stable role in a declining structure offers comfort today but risk tomorrow. True security, in Musk's view, comes from adaptability. The ability to learn, pivot, and remain useful when systems shift is more protective than predictability. This is why many people feel anxious despite appearing stable. They sense that their position depends on forces they do not control. Why Musk prioritizes learning over earning. Musk repeatedly emphasizes learning speed. He believes learning is the most undervalued financial asset in modern life. Skills expire faster than before. Industries change quickly. Those who stop learning do not collapse suddenly, they fall behind gradually. People struggling with money often focus on earning more immediately. Musk believes this can trap them. Learning creates options. Options create leverage. Leverage improves income over time. Without learning, income depends on permission from employers and systems that may not last. If this explanation is already helping you see your financial struggle in a new way, this is exactly the kind of thinking this channel is built around. We focus on understanding how money and systems actually work today, not how they used to work years ago. If you want clarity before pressure forces it, make sure you are subscribed. Now let's continue. How technology separates people without announcing it. Musk does not believe technology is unfair. He believes it is neutral. Technology amplifies outcomes. Those who understand it gain leverage. Those who ignore it compete with it. This creates a divide that feels personal but is structural. People struggling financially often blame themselves. Musk believes many are simply positioned on the wrong side of technological change. Recognizing this shifts the focus from guilt to strategy. What Musk does and does not promise. Musk does not promise easy money. He does not promise quick success. He does not promise that struggle disappears overnight. What he offers is clarity. Struggling with money does not mean you are broken. It means the rules changed faster than your assumptions. Seeing that early creates opportunity. Ignoring it creates pressure. Why Musk believes adaptability matters more than stability. Elon Musk often stresses that the modern economy no longer rewards people for staying still. Stability used to mean safety. If you held a job for years and followed the rules, you could expect gradual progress. Today, stability can quietly turn into exposure. Markets shift faster than careers. Technology evolves faster than trainings. Roles that feel secure can lose relevance without warning. Musk believes adaptability is now the real form of security. Adaptable people are not constantly changing direction. They are continuously updating their skills, assumptions, and understanding of how value is created. When conditions shift, they adjust early instead of reacting late. This is why two people with similar incomes can experience very different outcomes over time. One adapts, the other holds on. Only one stays ahead. Why struggling financially often comes from delayed decisions. Musk has pointed out that most financial pain does not come from one bad decision. It comes from delayed good decisions. People wait to learn until they feel pressure. They wait to change skills until demand drops. They wait to rethink their path until options narrow. By the time action feels necessary, it is usually more expensive. Musk believes the habit of waiting is one of the biggest reasons people remain financially stuck. They are not incapable. They are late. Acting early feels uncomfortable. Acting late feels forced. Only one of those creates leverage. Why owning your direction matters more than earning approval. Another uncomfortable truth in Musk's advice is about permission. Many people build their financial lives around approval. Approval from employers, institutions, or systems they do not control. This creates dependence. When your income depends entirely on someone else's decision, your leverage is limited. You may work hard and perform well, but your upside is capped. Musk believes people struggling with money often need to shift from seeking approval to building control. Control does not mean isolation. It means understanding how your work creates value and how that value can scale beyond one role or organization. Why Musk warns against comfort-driven choices. Comfort feels harmless. It reduces stress and makes life manageable. But Musk believes comfort can quietly lock people into weak positions. Comfort encourages short-term thinking. It discourages experimentation. It rewards staying inside familiar boundaries even when those boundaries shrink. People struggling financially often make choices that preserve comfort to today at the cost of opportunity tomorrow. Musk's advice is not to seek discomfort for its own sake. It is to recognize when comfort is preventing growth. Why money struggles are often about systems, not character. One of the most important parts of Musk's honesty is this. Struggling with money does not mean you are irresponsible, lazy, or incapable. It often means you are operating inside a system that no longer rewards the behavior it once did. Understanding this removes shame and replaces it with strategy. When people stop blaming themselves, they can start repositioning. That is where change actually begins. If this continuation helped you see your financial situation with more clarity and less self-blame, subscribe to the channel. We focus on understanding how money, work, and systems actually function today, not how they are supposed to work in theory. And comment below, do you think financial struggle is more about personal choices or about changing systems? Clarity is the first real step toward improvement.